In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the J-bend under your sink. So mine, when I recently replaced the faucet up here, I forgot to put the top back on. It didn't have the seal, so I just went to Lowe's and got a new J-bend here. And one of the things to note is typically this PVC pipe is 1.5 inches in diameter. But this new kind of sink stopper is 1 1/4. So these come with 1 and 1.5, but also with the optional 1 1/4. So I'm going to need to use the 1 1/4 here. I'm just going to reuse the old pipe because it's good enough. So when you do, make sure you have a bucket here, because this J-bend is full of water, and that's what keeps like the smells and stuff from coming out. Also, if you ever lose a ring or something important, it'll come down here, and it's most likely going to be in this J-bend. So that's a good tip to remember if you lose anything. So I'm just going to stick this on. Make sure you've got the screw cap here. All right, I'm just going to push this on up, and you want to push this up until this side meets first. So go ahead and the back side, screw that one in first. Get it nice and tight, and then make sure that seal is on there, and just screw the top on. Make sure those are both nice and snug. There we go. Let's turn the water on. Make sure we don't see any leaks. And there you go. That's how you replace a J-bend under your sink. Be sure to like and subscribe for other videos that make life better.